This has got to be one of the weirdest things that I've ever encountered on a vintage acoustic guitar, and basically what I believe to be a factory original specification. It was so weird. I was like, that can't be right. And as it turns out, it's right. And there wasn't a ton of information on this subject, so I'm going to go ahead and make a quick video on it here. And I don't even have the thing right now because I'm making a new one, but here's what I discovered. So the bridge saddle, made of, plastic or ABS on a low-end guitar, or, bone or tusk on a higher-end guitar. Commonly, a guitar like this older 50-year-old Yamaha FG-110e, I was replacing the bridge saddle here because the previous owner, there was like an eighth of an inch maybe left exposed above the top of the bridge here, and that was because somebody was compensating for the fact that the neck angle had changed over time. Really common with old guitars, especially common with old Yamaha guitars. And I did the John Minor steam reset to this neck, so this neck angle is better than it used to be. I don't need the bridge saddle slammed right down. So here's the point. When I pulled the bridge saddle out, it was made of aluminum. And I'm like, wait, hold on, that can't be right. It's an aluminum bridge saddle. And after doing some research, turns out it's true. There is a ground wire here and a hole that it would pass up through for the onboard pickup system that, again, is original for, this is around 1972. This guitar was made, this particular model, the FG-110e, was only made for 3 years. I think it was like 72, 73, 74. But they used aluminum bridge saddles. I'm almost making this video just because I want people to comment. Tell me that you're familiar with that. Did you know about bridge saddles? Like, I've been working on guitars and playing guitars for my whole life here. I am not familiar with aluminum bridge saddles. And I'm going to just go back to a bone one here. Pickup be damned. I'll figure something else out here. I just think that the aluminum has to affect the tone of the guitar. Do you have an opinion on that? Would you use an aluminum bridge saddle just because it was original, or would you go ahead and upgrade that to a bone saddle? I'd love to hear your opinion.